Hello, this is Bedtime Stories for Kids and Toddlers with Music. Subscribe to the channel and like it before our trip to the land of dreams. The adventure begins. Lily loved exploring, especially in her grandmother's attic. One day, she found an old carved wardrobe, its wood warm to the touch. Curious as always, she opened the door and stepped into Whisperwood. The air smelled like rain and honey, and the trees whispered secrets in the breeze. A soft gray rabbit with round glasses hopped over. "Hello there," he said. "I'm Whiskers." With a thump of his foot, a tiny flower sprouted from the ground. Lily giggled as more blossoms bloomed around them. Whiskers knew everything about Whisperwood and promised to show her around. Suddenly, a flash of blue soared above. Feathers the bird landed beside them, her wings glowing in the sunlight. "I saw you from the sky," she chirped. "Want to see the forest from up high?" Before Lily could answer, Feathers fanned her wings, sending a gentle gust to lift Lily's curls. But not all was peaceful in Whisperwood. The animals whispered about Ember, a dragon whose sneezes sparked tiny fires. "He's scary," a squirrel murmured. But Lily wondered, what if Ember was just lonely? She decided to find out. Deep in the forest, they spotted Ember. His scales were a sad, murky green. When he turned, his big golden eyes blinked shyly. "I don't mean to frighten anyone," he rumbled, sniffing. "Achoo!" A little spark flew out, landing harmlessly on a stone. Lily smiled. "Maybe we can help." She pulled a handkerchief from her backpack. Whiskers suggested calming tea made from pine needles. Feathers fanned away the sparks with her wings. Soon, Ember's sneezes were just warm puffs of air. The forest animals watched, amazed. "He's not scary at all," a fawn whispered. Ember's scales turned a happy blue-green as he made new friends. The birds sang, and even the trees seemed to hum along. As the sun dipped low, Lily yawned. "Time to go home," she said. Ember nuzzled her gently, his scales warm like a cozy blanket. "Come back soon," Whiskers called. Feathers fluttered a goodbye breeze. Lily stepped back through the wardrobe, her heart full of magic. The stars twinkled outside her window, as if Whisperwood was wishing her sweet dreams. She nestled under her covers, smiling. Tomorrow held more adventures, but for now, it was time to sleep. Close your eyes, little explorer. Let the whispers of the forest carry you into dreams. Good night.